next relationship between torque and angular momentum. We know that ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ L is equal to R into P. It means it is a angular momentum differentiating both sides with respect to t. ಇಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಹೋಗ dl by dt is equal to d of r vector into p vector divided by dt. The next dl vector is equal to dt that is equals to dr vector. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡೋಣ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ dr by dt into p vector plus differentiating this one ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡೋಣ. differentiating dp by dt into r vector. Okay, it is a equation number 1. Now dr vector by dt is equal to v vector and the dp vector by dt is equal to f vector. ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ dr vector t by it is equal to v, it is a velocity is equal to r divided by t is equal to next dp by dt is equal to f. Then it will be substitute equation 1 from ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಾ. we will apply Newton second law. ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? P is equal to m into v or F is equal to m into v. Force is equal to mass into velocity ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Then next substitute all these values in equation 1. ಇವೆರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. dl by dt is equal to v vector into m into v plus r into f vector. The next dl by dt is equal to ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ m ಅನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. v vector into v vector plus r vector into f vector. This is equation number 2. Now v cross v is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಬೇಕು. r cross f vector is equal to tau ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, tau ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೋದ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದು ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. tau ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ಯೂ, tau ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು. Okay, cross product of the parallel vector by definition of the torque definition ಪ್ರಕಾರ torque is equal to dl by dt ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. torque acting on the particle is equal to the rate of change of angular momentum of the particle. torque ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. torque acting on the particle is equal to the rate of change of angular momentum of the particle. It is the derivations of relationship between torque and angular momentum. To derive